Telegram allows users to customize the appearance of the app, including the app icon on the home screen. In this video, you will learn how to change the Telegram app icon using the available settings options. The process is quick, simple, and does not require any additional apps. If you want your home screen to look cleaner or different, this is the right way to achieve that. So, at the very beginning, find and open your Telegram app. Once you're inside, you will immediately see a gear icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and it will take you directly to the settings page. In the settings, you will see many options. Now scroll down a bit and find the appearance option. Tap on it. After that, a section will open with options to change the look of Telegram, colors, themes, night mode, and other visual settings. Now, scroll down until you find the app icon section. Here you can see different icon styles you can choose for your Telegram app. Some of these icons are available exclusively to Telegram Premium subscribers, while users without a premium account can only use the standard icons. Choose the one you like the most and tap on it. I will choose the mono black icon. Then, in the pop-up window that appears, tap OK to confirm the changes. Once you do that, you can exit the Telegram app, and you will see that the icon on your phone's home screen has changed to the one you selected. And that's all for this short video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.